Welcome guys, so today I'm with the Xiaomi Black Shark 5 and I want to show you what the camera pro mode looks in this phone, how it looks, and to enter the pro mode you have to simply go right here next to the video mode, and at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon where you will find the description of each parameter that you can adjust right here. Right now I just want to show you the maximum value of each preset. So the first one we got the white balance with 4 presets and with the manual adjustment. The next one is focus. Right here we can find shutter speed. Right here we got ISO. That's the exposure compensation. Right here we can find also lenses, that's wide lens, ultra wide lens and the macro lens. Okay, and we can also go for this bar right here. We can turn on the flashlight and we can change the spot metering. We can enable high resolution mode and add filters. And actually, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.